Learn English to Gujarati. Go in past forms with
javuṃ.
welcome, let's go. Hey, you're here, and that already counts as progress. Today you'll learn how to say go in a bunch of past forms in Gujarati without your brain filing a formal complaint. Our star word is
javuṃ.
which means go. Say it once like you're pointing dramatically at the horizon.
javuṃ.
Now imagine a backpack with tiny legs yelling, adventure, snacks, confusion,
javuṃ.
exclamation mark quote. Good. If a word can wear shoes in your imagination, you are much more likely to remember it. Your mission today. You're not just learning one word today. You're learning a mini travel squad of forms built around go. Base form. Go equals
javuṃ.
I went equals
હું ગયો.
you went equals
તમે ગયા.
he went equals
તે ગયો.
she went equals
તે ગઈ.
it went equals
ગયું.
we went equals.
અમે ગયા.
From the source list, you also need these source side forms in English. You all went equals
IHRGen.
and they went equals.
Sie Jinjin.
A ridiculous little story. Let's make this memorable with a tiny comedy scene. Your job is just to listen and smile at the strange people. One morning, a road sign woke up and shouted, "Everybody move!"
javuṃ.
Exclamation mark quote. I grabbed my bag and said,
હું ગયો.
My friend looked offended, mostly because I had taken the last samosa, and said, "Wow, so?"
તમે ગયા.
Without sharing? Then Ravi ran past the house, and we all pointed and said,
તે ગયો.
A second later, Mira vanished around the corner too, so naturally we announced.
તે ગઈ.
Even the bus was rude. We reached the stop, stared into the distance, and the uncle there sighed.
ગયું.
It went. In the end, we all marched to school together and proudly declared.
અમે ગયા.
Quick forms, no panic. Now let's slow it down. You repeat in your head, out loud, or with the confidence of someone teaching a goldfish. To go.
javuṃ.
I went.
હું ગયો.
You went.
તમે ગયા.
He went.
તે ગયો.
She went.
તે ગઈ.
It went.
ગયું.
We went.
અમે ગયા.
Extra source list form. You all went equals.
IHRGen.
Extra source list form. They went equals.
Sie Jinjin.
Mini dialogues on the road. Time to hear the words in action. These are short, natural, and just dramatic enough to be fun. A. Do you want to go now? B. Yes.
javuṃ.
A. Where were you yesterday? B.
હું ગયો.
To the market. A. I came late. B. Yes.
તમે ગયા.
Early. A. Where is Ravi? B.
તે ગયો.
A. Where is Mira? B.
તે ગઈ.
A. Where is the bus? B.
ગયું.
A. Did your group stay home? B. No.
અમે ગયા.
Memory tricks that actually help. Let's give your memory some snacks. Strange images work better than boring ones, so yes, we are going full cartoon. Picture your front door with giant glowing shoes on it. The shoes say,
javuṃ.
door equals go. Point to yourself and take one step.
હું ગયો.
Point to your friend dramatically, like a detective in a cheap movie.
તમે ગયા.
Imagine one man disappearing in a puff of spice-scented smoke.
તે ગયો.
Imagine one woman waving goodbye while your tea is still too hot to drink.
તે ગઈ.
Imagine the last bus rolling away laughing at you.
ગયું.
Imagine your whole group marching in mismatched shoes and still feeling proud.
અમે ગયા.
Fast drill. I'll say the English and you try to recall the Gujarati. No stress. If you miss one, your brain is just warming up. Go.
javuṃ.
I went.
હું ગયો.
You went.
તમે ગયા.
He went.
તે ગયો.
She went.
તે ગઈ.
It went.
ગયું.
We went.
અમે ગયા.
You all went.
IHRGen.
They went.
J.
Spot the pattern. Here's a useful observation. Several forms look related, which is good news for your memory and bad news for forgetting. Listen to the family resemblance.
હું ગયો. તમે ગયા. તે ગયો. તે ગઈ. ગયું. અમે ગયા.
They all circle around the idea of went. So if your memory grabs the sound of gayo, gaia, guy, or gayu, it is already holding onto the right neighborhood. Tiny challenge. Let's test you with a few quick moments. Try answering before the solution appears. You want to say only the action go. Say.
javuṃ.
You're talking about yourself yesterday. Say.
હું ગયો.
You're talking to one person, you went. Say.
તમે ગયા.
Ravi already left. Say.
તે ગયો.
Mira already left. Say.
તે ગઈ.
The train already left. Say.
ગયું.
Your whole group left together. Say.
અમે ગયા.
Friendly conclusion. Nicely done. You just practiced a whole cluster of useful movement words, and your brain survived beautifully. Today you learned go as
javuṃ.
plus key past forms like
હું ગયો. તમે ગયા. તે ગયો. તે ગઈ. ગયું.
and,
અમે ગયા.
along with the extra source list forms
IHRGen.
and.
J.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words out loud, and come back soon for another round, preferably before the imaginary bus.
ગયું.
Again.